So it's a 1970 Chevelle that I bought here at SEMA today in the MB Court booth. More of a classic appearance, I guess, with a high performance underlining of it. I've kind of nicknamed it one step forward, two steps back, because it's fought me a lot the last couple of months finishing it up. So it's a 427 aftermarket dart block. We just put it on the dyno for the very first time on 91 pump gas with 10 pounds of boost. It made 790 horsepower at the wheels. Other than like the high-end audio gear and, like I said, the underlinings of it, the rotor shop chassis and the high horsepower and all that kind of stuff, the body, there's no modifications really to the body. We wanted to keep those classic lines that GM kind of really perfected. 70s kind of the sequential year for Chevelle, so we kind of left it at that and left things alone. So in the trunk here for the audio, we went ahead with two 10-inch Hyphonics Elite subwoofers. They're in a ported enclosure. Also running the Hyphonics BE40 amplifiers for that. Everything fit like it's supposed to. We tried the stick-on trunk seal, and that was a big hit. I actually had the body shop, Ballard Paint and Body, that did this for me out of Neosho, Missouri. I was gone doing another event, so they had the car for a week. And I gave them all the weather stripping, says do as much as you can. And they had never used that before, and they were super impressed with that. And that's gonna be their staple go-to item now, so.